Presenting a pre-owned 2009 Lexus GX. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 4.7-liter V8 engine with all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Lexus has less than 75,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city and 18 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include speed-sensitive volume control, moonroof, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and navigation system.